do like to tell this story. Bob Odenkirk, his son came to our show when they were out here filming Better Call Saul. And the story is that his son went back to his dad and said, Dad, you have to come see this improv. It's really good. Because sometimes people are like, improv, I don't know.
So then Bob came, he snuck in incognito and watched the show. And then a few weeks later, we got a call from his people. And they're like, Bob would like to come play. And so he started to come and show up and play with our team. And it was really super awesome. He thinks they're great improvisers. And it's lovely being able to partner with him.
My name is Doug Montoya. And I'm one of the co-artistic directors of Cardboard Playhouse Theater Company. And we are the founders. And when I say we, I mean Kristen Berg, my partner. We founded the Box Performance Space.
Oh, that was so close.
Is it something you put your leftovers in?
No, it's not Tupperware.
Is it something acrobats swing?
No such piece.
Is it something you put down on the bed of your truck?
For the first year, we were truly trying to wrap our heads around how improv was going to be presented here at the Box. For a while, it was kind of like an open mic where people would just kind of show up and start improvising together, or little small teams would come together and perform. And it was always just a little rough. But we had decided that we needed to figure out how we were going to make it more professional. So we decided to create a house team. This was going to be a team that was going to work together every weekend. We were going to require them to practice, to gel, to work together. And then we opened up with The Show. We thought it was a clever name, The Show. And we've been doing that for 12 years. There are some members that have been in the show since its inception, but we have moved people and we have graduated people into the show from our training center.
Can I get 2 volunteers that would love to come up here and help us out for the next Charles? Okay, these guys are going to have to enlist your help throughout the scene. And it's going to kind of look like this.
I like to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but I don't usually use a knife or a fork. I like to use a shovel.
Have a yearly audition, and then there'll be a trial period to say, does it all mesh, does it all gel, and then we'll put them on the team, basically.
Charles will be speaking for Tito. Can I please get a suggestion of a location that maybe fits on like a cruise ship, like a 2-tabled casino, or
a rock climbing wall.
A rock climbing wall. Thank you.
Hold on. I gotta hydrate right now. Get ready. Savannah, what are you doing here?
That's right, Savannah, your guardian angel. I'm here to just let you know you're climbing pretty high, bud.
Whoa. Holy fudge! I didn't realize that.
That team, I feel it's safe to say, is the longest running show in Albuquerque. We've got an incredibly fun training center for improv. We've revamped it here and there over the many, many years.
You might have sort of an idea of what you think of, Poetry Jam is. Just lean into that. And sort of like pizza, toppings, cheese bubbling on a crust, sauce floating underneath, friends hugging, kissing, whatever nonsense. Just think of like the most stereotypical like slam poetry type of thing, and just really lean into that. Let's do another one. New suggestion is the zoo.
Cages, dark, restricted, freedoms held back.
We've had students who enjoy working together. They came together, they found themselves here, and they love working together, and they put together teams, and then they'll perform here in our annex. That's where we are so happy that we have a place for people to experiment, to try new things.
It was my birthday, I was only 13.
This was 2 days after Halloween, but my parents wouldn't let me celebrate Halloween. I just rhymed Halloween with Halloween.
We all come together. We are all in the same room as it's happening, as it's being created. And so it's that coming together of a group of people that experience this story or this happening at the same time, and then it'll never happen again.